Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's get over the analysis of Nifty. So this is the Nifty futures chart, 30 minute. And if you see what our discussion yesterday, I told that these are our endpoints, and until prices are trading below this, we are not going for longs. This is 61.8 retracement. And if the price is going beyond this low, then we are going to open a short position. But that did not happen. If you remember my analysis, I already told, if you see the daily chart, now this is the correction which was going on. You see, if you try to analyze how much fall is this from top, it is roughly around 8%. And this is very common. People are doing panic or everything is going to crap, it is going to melt down. If it is going to melt down, we won't be sitting with 8% correction. This is plain and simple. If there are devastating fundamentals or devastating news going everywhere here and there, then we would have started melting like anything. You might have just getting a recap of corona scare or something economic crisis, but that is not happening exactly. People are just fear mongering here and there because of the Adani stocks. There may be some problem into fundamentals or the whatever you call business ethics or whatever they are claiming, but it is hardly I mean, the weightage of Adani stocks is very, very little if you compare to Reliance, HDFC Twins, and these heavyweights. So it is not affecting Nifty that way. There could be a problem in individual stocks, and that is why they are getting a big hammering. But when you are seeing over the Nifty, this is not getting reflected by a very high level. It is getting reflected as such a small correction. 8% correction from the top. It is daily activity. It does not give a meaning that entire Nifty or entire market is going to crash away. So if you remember, if you measure the amount of correction for this string, it is sitting on 61.8 retracement, and it is very good risk reward in order to go longs. Just remember that it is having a good risk to reward if someone is looking to trade in the long direction. So if we move to 30-minute chart or 15-minute chart, today there were bulls which were just pushing the market up. After around 11 p.m., the market started moving in one direction. But many novice traders or new traders would have jumped in, seeing there is a movement going on. But if you see, we are still trapped inside this range, 18,100 to the upside and 17,472 on the lower side. This is the future chart. You can track exactly same technicals on the spot as well. So I was just telling, if 61.8 of this entire swing, low swing, is getting breached to the upside, then we will be looking for long positions. And what long position? Yeah, exactly. There was a bump up, nice, follow through to the upside. Now we are looking for a correction. If the correction is very, very deep, then probably we will be going long here with the stop loss here. Number one scenario, right? Now, what if correction is shallow, this level, and it is able to take out this high, sorry. We will be entering long here, keeping the stop loss here. A small stop loss, we don't know the target. Target is never known. In fact, if anybody is telling you targets, that is something I don't know. Those can be Fibonacci extensions. Sometime we may hit them, and sometimes we may not. So better, instead of taking targets on these kind of, if you consider this as a stock, it is 17,000 rupees or 18,000 rupees of a stock. It will move will be this move will be very, very high. If it gets volatile, it will be huge move either side. So if you see, this will be a second scenario. If we are going to open a long position, keeping the stop loss below the swing which will be formed here, like this. And the different scenario which I told is probably we might get a deep correction. If we are getting a correction to the downside, then it will be like this. Lows will be getting broken. And once it gives a break above a high, then we will be opening a long position. No short position between this and this. Now, for some reason, it gaps down and it goes below this. Then the same scenario, we will be opening a short position below this. Right? Now, if it gaps up beyond this, then I think we should wait for a correction. Then only we should get into the trade off. Gap up will be a long position. So these are the two scenarios. You should be watching this low and this high. A move above this after this correction, long, deep retracement, something like this. Again long, break below this, retracement, again a break, short. Simple as that. Right? So this is the analysis of Nifty. Quickly look at the stocks, the moving stocks for today. First one was Titan. And for Titan, I would just say, let's wait for the correction or some retracement back. So we'll be opening a long position around 24.28, which is this high. If it comes and touches this high, we'll be opening a long, keeping the stop loss around 23.90. And we'll be again trailing it like this. And whenever it starts moving up, trail behind every swing low. Next one is Bank of Baroda. The same scenario here as well. We will be buying around 163.75. No. It's written something else. Okay, we will be buying around 158.6. It is something wrong here. 58.6. Right? And our stop loss will be 151.8. Plain as that. It has broken this swing high, made a new structure high, wait for the retracement, buy here, put the stop loss here. Simple. Next one is Siemens. Manufacturing companies are showing some strength because of budget news. So if it is able to break this high of 30.50, open a long position, put a stop loss around 3027 or 3030. So this will be a small stop loss for this one. Today HDFC Bank was reversing very highly. If you see the daily chart of HDFC Bank, you will see that it is considerably very strong. It is just trading close to the all-time high. So close to the all-time high and around 3.5% up today. So this has made an extension, and once it starts retracing around 1641.15, open a long position, put the stop loss around 1627 here. So this will be your long position and keep trailing behind every swing low which is formed. So this is the analysis of Nifty plus some trade setups of individual stocks. Okay guys, if you like the content, please do not forget to share it and subscribe to the channel. And if you are having any query or concern, please do post in the comment section. Till then, happy weekend and thank you for